Looking for a job in the UAE without paying any fees or agents? In this video, I'll show you how to use Staff Connect UAE to find real job opportunities completely free. Let's get started with your job search in the Emirates. Staff Connect UAE is a recruitment platform where companies post job openings. Job seekers can apply directly without paying any registration or agent fees. It bridges the gap between top talent and leading employers in the region. Everything is transparent and completely free for the candidates. You can find jobs in IT, sales, finance, administration, and more. From technical roles to corporate management, there are options for everyone. The biggest benefit is that you can apply directly to companies without middlemen or charges. This ensures your profile reaches the right people faster and more efficiently. First, open the Staff Connect UAE website. On the homepage, you will see various job listings and categories. Take a moment to explore the latest vacancies. Go to the jobs section and browse available openings. You can filter by industry or search for specific roles. Select a job that matches your skills and experience perfectly. Read the descriptions to ensure you're the right fit for the role. Open the job details and read the requirements carefully. Then click Apply. Upload your updated CV and submit your application. It's that simple. Your details are now with the hiring team. If you want to contact Staff Connect directly, here are the details. Their office is located at Al Jarrah Building, Khalid bin Al Walid Road, Dubai. You can call them at +97 1428 36737 or email hello@staffconnect.ae. You can use these details for job inquiries or support. Always keep your CV updated and apply only for jobs that match your skills. This significantly increases your chances of being selected for an interview. So that's how you can find jobs in UAE using Staff Connect without paying any fees. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more job updates. Good luck!